Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing this super dewy, soft, glam, very feminine Diwali look. I love the way that it turned out. It has really nice, warm, pinky tones that's just perfect for that like super simple yet glam look for Diwali this year. This is my first Diwali look and I'm super excited to share this with you guys. But if you guys like the way that this look turned out, then make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post my next video. So let's get right into this soft, glam, very feminine Diwali look. But to start off, I'm actually going to show you guys some of my skincare as well. So I am going to be using the Tatcha water cream to moisturize my skin. I want this to be like really glowy, really moisturized, so any kind of extra moisture would be better. I'm going to also go in with my Laneige sleeping mask and just apply a little bit on my lips. Okay, more to the whole luminous side, I am trying to pick between two of my favorite luminous looking primers, which is the MAC Strobe Cream and the Becca Backlight Primer. And I think today I'm going to go with the Strobe Cream, just because it's a little bit more subtle. And then when we're doing something super, super dewy, I'll probably use the Backlight. I usually place it at the high points of my cheeks, so most of the gold specks come on there, and then you can kind of just apply it everywhere, spread it out. I love how you can already kind of see the gold sheen, and I'm going to go in with my favorite Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the color 7.5. The other option that I was probably going to use today was the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Skin. So if you have that, or if you're looking for a drugstore alternative, that is a really good one. It gives a super nice and dewy finish. I'm probably going to use that when I do an all drugstore makeup tutorial. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever HD Concealer. And nothing crazy, I want it to be more natural and luminous, so it's just going to go around probably the darkest spots. Whatever I have left over on the brush, I'm just going to bring it down my nose. And then I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder and just set right underneath my eyes and my chin and a little bit on my nose. I don't want to set it throughout my face because then it's going to really mattify all the glow that we added in. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Benefit brow pencil, and I'm going to do what I usually do, which is comb it first and then fill it in from the top. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and just run it across my brows. Okay, today's eyes are supposed to be super simple, just something delicate and very feminine. So I'm actually going to start off with my brow bone. I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Kit, partnered with Nicole Guerrero, and I'm going to pick up the shade Glow Getter and just really place it on the highest points of my brow into my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with a simple transition shade. You can use anything that you have that matches your skin tone. I'm just going to go in with my Kylie Jenner bronze palette and use the second color over here, that's Topaz. I'm going to use a big fluffy brush and just run it across my crease. I really want to blend out the upper crease, so I want this transition to be really smooth. I started off over here, but then I keep buffing upwards, so it just has a softer blend and a softer transition. Again, it's supposed to be super subtle and super simple. Next, I'm going to go in with my blush. I haven't used it yet, but this is MAC Raisin. And I'm going to pick it up on the same brush. And I'm going to focus it a little bit lower on the crease and then kind of just spread it across my lid. It just looks like a nice blown out, neutral, pinky, soft, feminine kind of look. Now, this is probably like the most important step, which really gives the look a bit more life. I'm going to pick up the color Tiger Eye from the Kylie Jenner palette, and you can use any chocolatey brown. The warmer and more burgundy shade it is, the better. It'll just match the look more, but it really can be any brown shade. I'm going to place this at the lowest point of my eyelid and almost use it as an eyeliner. I'm not going to wing it out, because if I wing it out, it's going to bring a really different shape to my eye. I want this to be round and delicate and not like the whole fierce look. So I'm just placing it at the very bottom and I'm going to buff it out really soon. I'm just going to take a fluffier brush and just blend out the bottom. As you can see, the brown is kind of spread up upwards. And now I'm going to go in with the same brush that I used for my entire lid and just really buff it out. I'm going to go in with the same Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and use that highlight on my inner corner. Before I start the lower lash line, I'm just going to finish up the other eye and be right back. Okay, now to finish up the bottom of my eyes, I'm going to go in with the same transition shade that I used, any warm brown that you have, and I'm going to place it on the outside and actually work it all the way in. As you can see, I'm going to also pull it up and just connect it towards the outside. Then I'm going to go in with the MAC blush and place it in the middle. And since I'm not going to be using any eyeliner even on the bottom, I'm going to take that brown and really focus on the outside, but also towards the top. Going in with the same big fluffy brush, I'm just going to run it across and just make sure everything is blended out seamlessly. So next, to finish up my face, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. I'm just going to pick it up on my bronzer brush and focus it on the hollows of my cheeks. In order to tie the look together, I'm going to be using my same MAC blush in Raisin, and I'm going to be placing it on the apples of my cheeks. Usually once I'm done applying, I always go in and blend it into my skin with my beauty blender just so it like sinks inside. And you want to do this before you put the highlighter because then you're going to get all glittery on the beauty blender. I'm going to go in with my Colourpop highlighter, and this is just because it just gives such a soft highlight. There's nothing sparkly. It just gives like the smoothest glow ever. If you want a little bit more of the glitter, you can actually use the Glow Kit, which has more of the textury glitter, but that's not what I was going for this look, so I'm using something more subtle. Going back in with my blush brush, I'm just going to blend both of them together. We are going to use the MAC Fix Plus to spray our face. And this is really going to melt the powders into the skin. Okay, so what we need to finish up is with the lashes and the lips. So for the lashes, I'm going to just curl my lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm going to use my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara to just quickly coat it before I add in my lashes. For my lashes today, I'm just going to go in with my Ardell Wispies. These are super nice and fluttery and very feminine, so that's what I'm going for. I'm just going to add these on and be right back. Hey guys, so after I put on my lashes, I also just added some mascara on the lower lashes, and now I also added my sari that I've still put on properly. But I'm going to align my lip with the MAC lip pencil in the color Cork. I'm going to go in with the shade Abu Dhabi in my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's just a really nice nudie color. It has a little bit more of a pink tone. So that's it for the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this really soft, glam, very feminine Diwali look. I just had to add my bindi, so I just love how fluttery and just traditional this looks as well. I hope you guys have an amazing Diwali, staying safe and healthy as always. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button down below, and I will see you guys next week.